Hello everyone! So I just woke up, no? I just had my 2 out of 3 days off. Because sige, tatagalugin ko na lang kasi I have my crocheters na Tagalog followers also. So to those mga Bisaya, please bear with me. So I had my off kasi I'm recovering from flu. So actually I'm not fully recovered yet, but I'm trying. Kay when my supervisor found out na nagka-flu ako, because I was like hatching, coughing. So in the workplace, and it's a no, it's included in our in service na bawal yun kasi nga you're taking care of patients, tapos ubo-ubo ka doon, nagre-recover ka din, pasyente ka din. So yeah, sabi niya mag-off ka muna, sister, and then but nabuboard ako pag nasa bahay ako, lalo na when you're alone, right? So I just had few of my projects, and then I sort out things, and then I arrange my yarns. Actually, this is just a plain room na ginawa akong craft room, and sleeping bedroom na rin. But I really wanted to have a craft room, kay this is what makes me sane. Ang craft ko, alam ng mga tao na I'm a crocheter, and I really love crafting, and may na ako ngayon, may iba-iba na akong mga ginagawa din na gustong i-learn about crafting. So not just crochet alone. So I wanna be a florist also. Kay I'm into arranging flowers. I really love, I don't know, for some reasons may nabibigay siyang joy sa akin, you know. And I remember when I was in Hawaii, I was taking care 101 a patient, si Doktora, tapos I don't wanna mention the name na lang. So si Doktora, and then I always, because ang Hawaii, they're rich with flowers, plants, and everything. Nice yung weather nila. So I arranged her flowers every single day, and pareho kami. It brings me joy, and it brings joy to her also. So I wanted to merge to merge the crochet, the craft, the crochet, and being a florist. So maybe I might, one of these days, I might arrange crochet flowers na din. So yeah, right here I made this one's jacket or cardigan. So actually the pattern of this, I will search for the crocheter na nag-share ng pattern. Actually, it's just sunflower or daisy flower, and then I made it into grannies, and then but actually hindi pa siya tapos, guys. Hindi pa siya tapos. Tanggalin ko tong bag. Hindi pa siya tapos. I still have to do the sleeves. And then my friend's baby is mag-birthday, so I'm planning to give it to her as a gift, pero hindi din siya tapos, puro ako ganyan, guys. So ang dami kong work in progress. So I'm gonna show you this type of bags. Actually, I went to Hobby Lobby and shop for yarns, and then some leather tags or label. So I made 2, so different colors. Ito patapos na yung handle, yung isa. The other one is sunflower. The other one is, I don't know, daisy siya or something. We can call it daisy. So, but they're so cute, you know, tokens. Pwede siya, di ba? So, yeah. Iba yung naibibigay ng crochet sa akin, guys. It makes my sanity, or it keeps my sanity. So, yan, may mental health na nakakapagbigay siya ng ng mental health ko. Like, I mean, hindi ako buanga, but there are times na pag malungkot ka, there's a joy in that side ng pupasok lang ako sa craft room ko and then I'll make something out from my parang being creative na din. So yeah, I just wanna say hi, hello, and right there, puro pa mga yan, i-arrange ko din yan. But it's just a simple, and then may mga doon. Hopefully, ko siya, ma-arrange ko siya na into super, super, nice way. Then, I just have my, chair here, and then a plain table, parang a computer table. So, and then, lagyan ko ng plants, and dito yung meron akong organizer right here, native organizer. So yeah, eto lang my workplace. I'm just showing you my workplace while I need to crochet something. Actually, may mga orders ako dito, guys. May nagbebenta-benta ako yung mga small abubots, yung mga yung mga what do you call this one? Tie sa buhok. And one of these days, I'm gonna show you, and then kailangan kong bumili ng model na head tsaka mannequin kasi here wala akong mannequin, and then they're encouraging me, lalo na sa work, they're encouraging me to nourish it again what I had before, because people knew me na crocheter talaga ako, and then they're always checking me out sa Instagram, and then they were they're amazed by it. Pero I mean, we're practical, we have bills to pay, kailangan natin ng pera each and every day, gagastos tayo, so I have to work. So naset aside yung pagka-crafty ko. But when they found out na halang galing mo, mag-crafty ka pala, ganun, crafter ka pala, so you have to nourish it. And then kasi dito, guys, trivia, dito sa US, they really adore you if you know crochet or any crafter ka. Grabe sila ka believe sa'yo. So one time pumunta ako ng Hobby Lobby, and a lady came to me, said, what do you do? Like, are you a knitter? No, I'm a crocheter, but I knit, but the simple stitches only, but crocheter ako. And then she said, oh really? And then I showed my Instagram to her, and then she was like, oh, you're gonna make money out from that. Kasi hindi nila titipirin dito, guys. Trivia, hindi nila titipirin ang mga handmade dito. Kasi alam nila gaano kahirap gumawa. So they really treasure crafters here work. They adore you, like ganon. Kung mahal, pat bibilhin nila. Okay. So yeah, yun lang. Gusto ko lang i-share, and I wanna upload, as I promised, I wanna upload video na with regards sa sa mga crafting something ko, or sa crochet, because I'm crocheter, really, I'm real crocheter. So ako po si May Villo. Ako po si Shermy Canape Villo. As I have known. So ako po ang creator ng Handcrafted by May. So, if you're going to search me in Instagram, makikita nyo pa rin po. I turned down po kasi the pages from Facebook, which I had 20,000 something followers out there, like before I came here, tinurn down ko siya kasi nata-traffic na sila sa orders list, pero hindi na akong tumatanggap actually. Kahit sinasabi ko, nagpo-post ako na I'm not accepting anymore kasi paalis na ako. But still, they miss me, they keep coming back. So, tinurn down ko na lang siya, and I regret it. I regret it. Yeah, isa yan na sa nakakapagpaiyak sa akin. Kasi to gather 20,000 followers, something about to be 100k something na dati, mahirap. That year 2011 ako nag-start eh. So mahirap. It's been a long time already. Over 10 years, di ba? So, but actually, it's not late. It's not too late para sa akin because I'm now 39. Pwede pa akong mag-crochet. Kaya ko pa naman. At first, I thought hindi ko na kaya kasi nagka-cramps na ako or something. So, but then I found out na kaya ko siya. Kaya ko pa pala. So, nung na-feel ko na nagka-cramps yung kamay ko, oh my God, sabi ko, wala na, hindi na ako magka-crafting. But now, nalaman ko yung not treatment actually, but ways, bakit, at saka reasons, bakit ako nagka-cramps. So, yeah. Thank you guys for always following me and for giving me a chance na bumalik ulit. Kasi, love ko talaga. I think life ko yung crochet and life ko yung crafting. And I hope I'm gonna be an inspiration sa iba din. Especially when they're going through something. Just like me! I'm going through something but I always can. I always can handle it. I stand. Yeah. Yun lang po. Nothing else. So, I'm gonna lalabas po ako o aalis po ako to make or to look for ugly sweater. Kasi may mga costume kami sa work. The rest of the day. Like long week costume turban. So, okay. Have a great day. Have a nice day, everyone. I know Pilipinas nagtulog pa yung mga tao, but when you wake up, I hope you see my video on YouTube. I'll be uploading more and more videos soon. Bye!